2304, we have to find the square root of this number. How to find the square root of big numbers? So there is one method where we factorize this number and find the squares. So if you focus on this number, the last digit is 4. So last digit is an even number. That means this number is divisible by 2. Whenever the last digit of a number is 2, 4, 8, 6 or 0, that means it is divisible by 2. So we can start factorizing this number using 2. Let's start. 2, 3, 0, 4. We factorize it. That means we divide it by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is carryover. Then this is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 2 is 4. Again, the last digit is 2. It is divisible by 2. So again, do it with 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Then this is 15. So 2 times 7 is 14. And now this is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Again, divisible by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 carryover. Now this is 17. The closest number is 16, which is divisible by 2. So 2 times 8 is 16. Now again 1 carryover. Now this is 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. Again divided by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 4 is 8. Now you can keep on dividing this number. But if you remember the squares of numbers from 2 to 20, this will become much easier. 144 is square of 12. So we can directly jump to 12 and write it like this. 12 times 12 is 144. Now we have the factors 2 square times 2 square times 12 square. To calculate the square root, we take 1 from each of the factors. So write 2 times 2 times 12. So the answer is 48. So the square root of 2304 is 48. Now there is one simpler method which takes much less time, and you should learn this method. In this method, we start grouping the numbers from backward in twos. So these two are a group and these two are a group. We are grouping it to divide it. Now 23, which number when squared is equal to 23 or closer to 23? So 2 times 2 or 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. Now 25 is greater than 23. So we'll take 4 square, which is 16. So write 4 here. So 4 times 4 is 16. Write 16 here. We are doing this division. Now subtract. 13 minus 6 is 7 and 1 minus 1 is 0. We write across here. Now we add these two digits. 4 plus 4 is 8. Write 4 here. Bring these two digits down. Write 0, 4. Now we have to find a number here which when multiplied to itself, for example, if a number is a, then you have to write a here and then multiply it so that this number is exactly 704 or closer to 704 but not greater than 704. So which number when squared has 4 at its end? 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 64. Both the numbers have 4 at the end. So either here we will have 2 or 8. If we check it with 2, so 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 8 is 16. Much less than 704. So we will try with 8. Let's write 8 here and 8 here. 8 times 8 is 64. Write 4 here. 6 is carryover. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 6 is 70. You see? So you write 8 here. You can add these two and you subtract it. Remainder is 0. That means this is a perfect square. Answer is 48. And if you see, this 48 is half of 96. So your answer is correct. So this is the simplest and easiest method to find the square root of a number. Let's try it with a different number. Now square of 5 is 25. Square of 6 is 36. 36 will be greater than 31. So we will start with 5. So write 5 here. 5 times 5 is 25. You write 5 here. Subtract 6, 0. You bring these two digits down. Write 36. Add these two digits. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now which number has 6 at its end when squared? So 4 square is 16 and 6 square is 36. Both has 6 at the end. If you start with 4, so that will be much less than 636. So we will do it with 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. Write 6. 3 carry over. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 3, and 6 times 6 is 6. So answer is 56. Add these two and complete it. If you check, 112 is double of 56. So 56 is your answer. Practice it and let me know if you can solve it in just few seconds. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.